resistant to pests and diseases. Scientists have even been able to breed plants that can flourish in marginal areas where water and nutrients are in short supply.
Kale.
Some of these efforts produce higher yields, less impact
Swiss
on the
chard.
environment.
Cantaloupe.
Oh my gosh, look at the pumpkin! Oh my god!
That's canola.
That's bigger than I had. And that's pretty big.
Rice.
Yeah.
Look at the squash back there.
That's watermelon.
No, that's squash.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like the ones you see help to increase yield while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. We're growing these nutritious sweet potatoes above ground. This method increases yields, produces larger potatoes,
Eggplant.
and can be used where rich
Now
soil
look at the
is in short
eggplant.
supply.
Is that hydroponics? Yeah.
Using our nutrient-filled
Eggplants
system.
don't grow from trees.
This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. With
Potato
it, we
tree.
can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in just one small area.
Potatoes grown above the ground. That's cool.
It's lettuce. Fresh. It has Mickey Mouse in the middle. Where? In the middle, up there.
Here's something you don't see every day. Tomatoes growing on trees. These plants were originally developed by Chinese scientists. Tomato trees live longer and produce many more tomatoes. One of ours lived 16 months and produced over 30,000 fruits. Much of the produce you see growing in our greenhouses is served in the restaurants here at the lab.
Yeah, they're at them.
I could do without all the topping now. I could do without all the topping.
From them?
Cucumbers as well. Oh, look at them.
The future of agriculture includes some high-flying ideas like the ones you see here. The aquaponics system on your left integrates hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a source of natural fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less resources. In our lab, EPCOT scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants.
This Stern stuff.
Let's look.
My brain was so low.
I hope it like drops. I think something exciting happens.
Or like a ball.
Yeah. An echo balloon.
Was that us? Yeah, that's outside.
These greenhouses represent just a tiny fraction